Well, I was going to swap out the alternator, but unfortunately, I don't think that's going to happen unless I can take the bracket off the engine, which, nope, still trying to get the light to work. Maybe, actually. If it's just these two upper bolts here, guess I could look. I'll try that first, I suppose. Looks like those are 6 mils. Well, the bracket's got at least 4 bolts on it holding it to the head, so I just put it back, but with a new belt on it. We'll see. Oh, God. My back. Let's real quick make sure that worked. Yes, it did. Good. Okay. Let's see if I can get this to focus for you. So there's the right side. And where are we? Sorry, guys. There's the left side. Whew, that sucked. Just gonna try to see if I can see an issue with the actual teeth up here. And how they would mesh. But I guess the phone's not really good enough to see what I need to see. But I don't see any like really crazy wear on the teeth. Maybe it's too far away. Let's go spritz this bad boy off. I haven't messed with the starter yet, as you can tell. It's weird having a working alternator. Still definitely have a dragging brake. I'm now realizing that I should probably fix the parking brake on this thing. Because I have... Actually, the parking brake never worked, but I really should put it right. Because there's no park anymore. All right. Oh, luckily the brake is dragging, so don't need a parking brake. And yes, that's just how cold it is. That water is vaporizing. Let's go for a quick drive. The tune is especially not good before the engine's up to full operating temperature. My excuse is it's super easy to kill. Oh. Feels great. This thing is an absolute riot. It is so much fun now. The shift's great too, frankly. It's a little hard to shift with one hand, but and the tune, I gotta figure out what's going on with the TPS. It's a little bit off. Just gonna get some gas right now because the stuff in the tank smelled really old. Yeah, it's fairly low, not too bad. Sorry I didn't get much footage from the trip home. There was a 250, I think, Red Sport that wanted to have a go. And this car's faster, by the way. It's pretty good. The I was starting to get just a little bit of a driveline buzz at 90 kilometers an hour, of course. But it's not bad. It's not bad. Everything felt really, really good at regular highway speeds. It's actually really nice to shift when you're moving. The clutch grabs right off the floor, which I'm not a huge fan of. The engine has pretty good manners and has tons of power. Tons of low-end torque, too. I mean, we're at, what, 900 RPM right now? Brake is really dragging. This thing sounds so good. All right, I gotta open the garage.